Hello YouTube, it's Anshjelm and welcome to Anshjelm Restoration channel. In this time I am doing a road trip with my friend and we are going to some old farm which is actually my friend's farm, and we are going to search some awesome stuff to be restored. And say hello to my friend.
Hello, my name is Janshjelm.
His name is Janshjelm, of course it is. The place where we are going is old farm, and there is old buildings and old stuff. The thing I look most forward to is that old blacksmith workshop which is from 19th century, and there's also an old house which is from late of the 19th century, and the workshop is from the middle of the 19th century. So I hope there will be lots of old things to be found and maybe to be restored and show those projects for you guys. Here you can see some Finnish landscape which is actually pretty boring. Lots of fields and lot of forests. That's Finland. Okay, we have come to this place. This is old house which is built something like 1890 or something like that. Very old house. And Janshjelm is here to lead us here. Okay. Let's see, can we find anything interesting here? There's old iron here. But what is this? This is some art which I maybe cannot understand. Okay, and here is some old vinyl player. And these could be glasses for statistic man. And look what is here. Oh my god. This is old Lego. But maybe this is not something to restore. Very cool still. Hey. Tell me in the comments, who remembers Dino Riders? Oh yes. I would say this is pretty big spoon. Look, this is my foot and this is the spoon. Look how huge it is. Have you ever seen a spoon this huge? It's crazy. Okay, Janshjelm said upstairs might be some interesting place, so we are going upstairs. Oh, this is a bit dark.
What is this?
It's very dark in here, but 𝘁𝗵𝗀 konepaja Oy. Do you know what this is?
No, no idea.
Me and Janshjelm don't know what this is. Tell me in the comments if you know what this is. There's some old shells. Okay, now we have some light. Some clothes. Old tube radio. There's lots of spider web in here. Little shoes. What's that? Hey! Look at this! Emergency car. Could we restore this? This guy lacks hands and head. Oh, he has his hand there. This could be something. It's pretty dark in the camera, but let's see, can we find anything? What's that?
Don't know. Maybe it goes here.
That's the separator. Okay.
I bet that's a clock.
Yeah, that's a clock, I would say.
What ends with Anshjelm? Maybe danger.
Is there some danger in here?
Singer.
Singer. Okay, sewing machine. What are those?
Can't tell.
What is this? I should maybe use some gloves, but I don't have any. Maybe this is some part for some vehicle or something. I don't know. Can you see this? No, you can't. This is old Finnish milk can or... En mä tiedä mikä on teille kieloni.
Carton.
Copper pan.
Yes.
Classic.
There's another one, bigger one over there.
Yeah, it's a copper pan. That could be something. Let's squeeze inside. Let's go and play some ice hockey. More shoes.
And old chessboard.
Is this like some football shoe, old football shoe or something? If you know, tell me in the comments. This is card from Finnish military. And this is also. Someone has done some service. And the final room. Hey, there's a kitchen. Very cozy kitchen. Nothing. What about this? 𝘁𝗵𝗀𝘀 Super Baby 175. This could be something. There's some old magazines. Can we find here some interesting magazine? These magazines are older than me. Okay, now we are at the old blacksmith workshop. And there it is. And we did some research already and find out that this door won't work. So I think we have to go in from here somewhere. There is a little crack. Janshjelm here is making some room for us and showing the way inside. Look at him, he's like a cat. So much dexterity and agility. Very few strength and wisdom. Okay, let's try to crawl in. Okay, this is very interesting. Here I come. Like a glove. This is very old blacksmith workshop from 1850 or something like that. There's some tools on the wall. Whoa, that's a wrench, but I would say
Not so old.
yeah,
Well, old, but not old.
not that old. And there's some old anvil and lawnmower, and that's an old door lock, very high tech. Look, 1799. This is very old. Have you ever seen lock like this? Tell me in the comments. Now we find some treasure. There's no, or is there? There is some markings, but I don't know what it says. 𝘁𝗵𝗀𝗀. It's very good that the glass isn't broken. Can you imagine the blacksmith doing his work with these old hammers? Or at that point, this wasn't so old. And this is for
Stripping wood.
yeah, stripping the wood, the bark. Yeah. And there is some
Needs sharpening, I would say.
yeah, this is pretty cool.
There's another one.
A bit jammed. Okay, maybe we keep doing some digging and let's see what we can find. Okay, now we have done some crawling and searching and adventuring in this old farm, and this is what we have found so far. This is old vise, screw vise. These are some old gardening scissors, I would say, and oil lamp, which was a very good find because this glass is not broken. And then there is this 𝘁𝗵𝗀𝗀 wrench. I think this is not that old, but like from 70s or something. Maybe these aren't so old either, but they are in pretty rough shape. Which object you would like me to restore most? Tell me in the comments. And I also decided to pick this emergency car toy and investigate this a bit more if I could restore this. Only bad thing is that we couldn't find the head and the another arm for this guy, but yeah, we will see. And that's that. We have come to an end of this video and end of our adventure today. We have found some very interesting stuff which I already showed for you, and if you saw anything else which you might like me to restore, please tell me down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you Janshjelm that you opened your doors for us. What do you think about today?
Yeah, it was a good day. I think we found some very nice items for you to restore. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun, very great day. Thank you everyone. Anshjelm and Janshjelm out.